If you're shopping for an Uppababy Vista, this is the video to watch because in this review, I'm going to be doing a full review of the Uppababy Vista V3. The Uppababy Vista V2 came out in 2019, so it's been almost 5 years since we've had a new Vista, and they've made some really fantastic upgrades. If you have any questions about it, just drop a comment below. So one of the reasons why people love the Uppababy Vista is because it starts as a single stroller and turns into a double stroller. I'm going to go through the differences of the V2 and the V3 in a second, but in the very beginning, let me just show you the basic rundown of the stroller. So it is a very high quality stroller, and in the V3 version, I told you I'd be telling you about this later, but I'm excited about this now. They have improved suspension, so as you walk through your day, your baby is not going to be jostled around. It's going to be very smooth for the baby and very smooth for the parent as well. The seat goes in both directions. All you have to do is push these little silver buttons. The baby can face you and can face the world. There is an extendable handle. All you do is this goes down and goes up like that. To fold down the stroller, it's super easy. All you have to do is pull these two triggers on the side. It folds right down. And something that's great about an Uppababy strollers in general is that they tend to be able to stand on their own, and then you just pop it into the trunk. It also comes with a sleep-safe bassinet included with the Vista. Here is the bassinet. It easily removes from the frame. There is ventilation on the bottom, so the air blows through, but for the V3 version, they actually added ventilation on the front and on the back. So it's really good. We don't want our babies to suffocate. So it's really good to have the air to flow through. And also in warmer climates, you can have like a much more climate controlled situation for your baby. There is also a pop out like this to keep your baby blocked from the sun, which is also great. You can get a bassinet stand as well for your Uppababy bassinet so you can have it in your home as well. As your family grows, or if you have twins right away, you can add something called a rumble seat. This is the rumble seat. What you'll do is you'll add these upper adapters to raise up the main seat, and then you have this very nice extra seat. They upgraded this rumble seat in 2024. You can see that there's like a pivoting foot at this point, and also they raised the weight limit to 40 pounds on the rumble seat. So from a single to a double, great. You can actually have a third kid if you add a piggyback to the back, all wonderful for the Vista. But the upgrades for V3, let's talk about those right now. There is a spring-loaded little latch right there, popped right open. So first thing, let's talk about this just visually. Something you'll notice, they have this lovely chrome accent right here on the top of the handle. You can see it's a much more minimalistic look on the frame. It's a new coating, and also you don't see any like rivets or screws or anything like that, so it's like a very elegant look. The other thing about this, about the new V3 is they have like an all-weather seat. You can see, again, for warmer climates or for the summer, the air can blow through so your baby doesn't overheat, which we don't want our babies to overheat. They also upgraded the wheels. So there are newer wheels. They are a polyurethane wheel like traditionally, but they added extra rubber and actually extra air to make them lighter. So it's a lighter wheel and still a super high quality wheel. This is the liner that you can put into the seat, so you can have the flexibility to have your child with the liner or with the all-weather seat. The Uppababy Vista also works seamlessly with their infant car seats, including the new Aria. I just did a review of the Aria. I'm going to put a link below, and I will see you at another Magic Beans video.